what is important. So let's get into it and see how can you use it on a daily basis. And I'll show you some examples, the thing what I do. So this is, you can learn and start on your own. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm signed into Chat GPT, and I am logged in here, right here, if you can see on my screen. So log out and log in, so which is very important. So first time when you log in, use your uh, um, Google. So I'm signed up with my Google identity and the previous searches I have. But here is my brand new Chat GPT, and there are some examples and everything available here. So you can always come here, new chat, when you click on it, like I did, and it popped up. So I'm signed in. If I'm not signed in, I can always refresh and come back. So if you see, it shows you almost previous searches here, as you can see. And if I type here, hey, who are you, for example, who are you? Because it will just tell me about the AI engine itself. And then as we go on, we'll see about the Chat GPT. So let's just wait, and it should pop up. I hope its services are online. It does not take this much time. What is the time now? I don't know. Because Chat GPT cannot give you the real time information. This is very important, right? So uh, to know the current time, and anything you can search before 2021, which you're looking for some data. But you can do a lot of things like mathematics. You can create some content for marketing. If you have some school assignment, there are so many ways you can use it. It's really an amazing technology. So what I'm going to do is that I'll go with the scenario. So if you're a if you're students, you wanted to solve some maths problem, a basic problem, I'm going to go through the crazy one, which I don't know, but I'll give you some example, how do they do the mathematics, and then we'll look for some other example. So let's say if I say, what is 5 multiplied by multiple of 9. And let's see if it's gonna, yeah. So if it's multiplied, there's some spelling mistake, it will do it. Give me some better results. Let's say, I don't know, I'm just throwing it out. So see, I apologize, in previous answer did not meet your expected. Find more result to find. You can use the following calculation. Exactly. So this is what I was looking for. 5 into 9 is 49, 45. Another way to do this, you see. So again, this could be your algebra, for example, if you're looking for x equal to y and all these kind of things. So that's just the very high level. So I gave you example. So you can try on your own for all kind of multiplication, division, anything. That's just the one use case. So what if you are into a content development or something, you have to do it. So I can say, get me, help me write good marketing content for career in cybersecurity. So if I wanted to develop some career in cybersecurity, of course, I'm a subject matter expert, so I know I can validate the information, which is good or not. But again, it will not give you the most recent certification. Imagine if they were launched in 2022 and 23, but before anything 2021, this is where the result is coming from. So in some scenario, information is quite valid, quite good, as long as you are not looking for real time, which I will show you in a few minutes when it comes to the real time, and we'll see. But here you get the idea. If somebody wanted to look for career in cybersecurity, same thing, you can apply for sales, marketing, financials, accounting, scientist, doctor, engineer, lawyer, whatever, whichever, So you can have this. So it's going to pull the data from the internet, basically does not connect to the internet. An AI model already is there, but it's going to pull that information from there. So this is one of the example. Next example I can give you, again, let's say give me the uh, today's best performing stocks, for example, which it will not because it's not a real time thing. And it's, as you can see on the screen, it just can't do it. And it's telling you the cutoff for the data is 2021. So there is no way it can give you any real time information. So this is very important for you. And but there are like 80, 90% of scenario you can cover, which I've been showing you. So you can use that. Now I'm going to show you one more example. Randomly, I was thinking, get me the list of top 10 GDP. So money, growth-wise, the good countries, what are top 10 countries with the GDP, and sort them. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm supposed to get the list of top 10 countries with the gross domestic product, which are like, as you can see, uh, it's sorting those country. But again, here, um, exactly. So it's not sorting them in the order from US and being the top, in Canada all the way at the bottom. But I need to take it to the next level, right? I know I need better presentation. I know it's good, but I'm lazy, and there's some other work I have to do, and I need to know what the GDP number looks like. What's the GDP number for USA and all that. So what I'm gonna do, sort them by their GDP number for each country, and also in a table format. So let's see, I'm expecting it to, yeah. So exactly, this is how you're going to learn it. You have to tell the machine that, yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for, right? Even though it was confusing, but that's the format I need. So I can just copy and paste, put in my Excel sheet. So there are many creative ways you can do it, which you cannot do it by doing a Google search, and Google will give you the data, then you do it, then you copy paste in Excel and all that. So here, literally, it saved me 15 minutes worth of effort, or 10 minutes in just few seconds, just typing it in Excel. What I can do, just copy and paste, put an Excel sheet, or do a PowerPoint slide. So you have to be creative. You need to know what you're looking at. And this is how every time I'm doing it, this AI machine learning model is learning. So basically, I'm teaching on my daily basis the nature of work and everything. Everything is being stored in this AI model. So let me know, how do you like it? And there are so many different business cases I can go on. So if you like it, I'll add more. So I hope you like it. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.